welcome to a short video from Imagine Landscapes. Today we're going to be talking about how to do the increase 1 into 5 stitch. I'm going to be demoing it on the Nom de Plume pattern, but obviously you can use this stitch at any point in any pattern. It is a variation of knit front and back, and we're going to be taking one stitch and turning it into 5 stitches, which is where the name comes from. So to do this, all we do is knit into the front and then the back, and then the front, and then the back, and then one more time into the front of that stitch. It gets a little hard near the end. Just go slowly and patiently. It can help to have a nice sharp needle tip. And now you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches on the needle. I hope this helps, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of the gnome or the rest of your knitting. Happy knitting!